Hey there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting fields, machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn and improve their performance on a task without being explicitly programmed. It's a key technology behind many of the smart devices and services we use today. So, how does machine learning work? Well, it all starts with data. Machine learning algorithms are trained on large datasets, which can come in the form of images, text, audio, or even sensory links. The algorithm then uses this data to identify patterns and make predictions or decisions. Machine learning is a powerful technology that has the potential to transform many industries, from healthcare to finance to transportation. Machine learning can help us make better decisions and improve our lives. One of the most exciting things about machine learning is its potential to improve over time. As more data becomes available, machine learning algorithms can learn and adapt, becoming more accurate and effective. So, what are some of the most common applications of machine learning? Well, some examples include image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Machine learning is also being used in healthcare to improve diagnosis and treatment, and in finance to detect fraud and improve risk management. Machine learning is a game changer for businesses. It allows us to make better decisions, improve our operations, and create new products and services that our customers love. And finally, what are some of the challenges and limitations of machine learning? Well, one of the biggest challenges is data quality. Machine learning algorithms are only as good as the data they're trained on, so it's